my name is Stuart. Is that your helmet?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Can I?
That's fine.
박스가 진짜 크구나. 이야. 여긴 뭐가 좀 있을까요? 오늘 21대가 새로 들어왔대요. 도로가 엉망입니다. 무서워요. 여기는 퍼스트 에비뉴라는 곳이에요. 오른쪽으로 쭉 가면 다운타운인가요? 거기로 그렇게 들어오면 어떡해. 물건 왔나봐. 물건. 우와, 물건이 새로 왔구려. 우와. 아니 진짜 아직 중국 아저씨 때문에 내가 정말 죽을 뻔했잖아. 물건이 왔나 보네요. 살짝 들여다볼까요? 이렇게 생겼습니다. 큽니다. I'm just looking for bikes that fit me.
Okay.
And this one has no wheel.
Well, they do have a heat shield on them, so they have this shield on the outside. So I sometimes have my pant leg touch, but it doesn't burn my pant leg. We get a lot of our women riders like the sling. We often put a pullback handlebar riser to move the handlebars closer to them. Women are always shorter in the torso, long in the leg, so we can get the bars moved back for you. So see what I mean about the exhaust? You have clearance there. We can lower them, but I always say I suggest not to lower them. So you can move the motorcycle forward, and the side stand won't flip up.
Really?
Even your Sportster has that.
Mine is not.
No, it does. So I like the fact that it's a safety feature. You could be pointing downhill on the bike. If it rolls, it just rolls on the side stand.
Yeah.
I can show you in the back. Yes. Have you got a few minutes? Okay. My name is Stuart.
Stuart. Okay.
And is that your helmet?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Can I?
That's fine. It's not those guys. They're like on America's Most Wanted. I'll get you one.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome. We'll just go into the back here. Yuki rides the big twin.
I do. Yes.
So she has a big bike. She has a Dyna.
Maybe she has a lot of experience.
She has some more experience and now loses that opportunity, and then they got to work twice as hard.
You do have to work harder for sure.
But I know what you mean. But if you have a group of 3 people,
Yeah.
that's fine. When you have a group of 20 people,
Oh my god, that's a lot.
I know. It's
That's
like
too many.
stressful, you know?
So this is our winter storage.
Oh, I see.
So we store our customers' bikes for
Oh, really?
$75 a month in the wintertime. We put them up on the crates. So those bikes are starting to come down now because people are reinsuring. But a really cool bike that people like is this. This is a Softail Standard. This is a really cool bike. Now what we changed the handlebar grips, we changed the exhaust, we changed the seat and the passenger backrest and the air cleaner. We made it look like a 1960s bike.
This is beautiful.
It's pretty cool. And this is the street bob. So-
is it?
Yeah, so
Oh.
that's what they've done for 2021. They've made it a 114 now
I like that.
instead of a 107. And
This one was on hold last week.
this
right?
this one sold. So all
Right?
these motorcycles back here are privately owned or they're sold. This one we're waiting for the person to pick
That's
up.
nice. Oh, a lot of bikes in here.
There's a lot going on in here.
Nice.
And then we're back here
Thank
in
you
the
for
service
showing.
department.
That's mine.
Ah, you're 883, yes. Oh, that's a nice bike.
It's nice, eh?
It's great to learn on. And you have the
Right.
engine guard on it, so that's perfect. But it has an oil leak.
Look at that.
Oh, from the rear rocker box, yes.
And then front too, here.
Yeah.
Oil.
Well, what happens is the motor warms up and then cools down and warms up and then cools down. And then because it cycles so many times, this gasket in here can tear.
Oh.
And that's why you get a rocker box leak. Yeah, don't
Because
ever
I was
start it in first gear because,
Okay.
especially when it's cold, because it'll leap forward and it's hard on the starter motor. So always start it in neutral is the best to
Neutral,
start it in.
right? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Keep in mind.
Everything opposite of what he said. I'm just kidding. Hi, Cece.
Hi, Greg.
How are you? Get a new bike.
Well, that's what we're talking about, but she wants to learn more on this. The rocker box is leaking, so she's got it booked in.
Yeah.
So I booked it.
Those happen. Very common. Not on new bikes though.
Whoa.
As long as when you take it out of storage, like after you ride it, you just gotta warm it up good and ride it. So what it'll do is it'll burn off all the condensation and contaminants that sits in the oil when it sits. It'll burn it off, right? But if you go and, but the worst thing you can do when you've got your bike stored is to say, oh, I have to start my bike once a day for 5 minutes every day to keep it fresh. Don't do that. That's the worst thing you can
Oh, is it?
do. Fat Bob.
That's the one?
Fat Bob.
Is it?
Yeah. Not
Fat
Fat
Bob.
Steve. Fat Bob.
Fat Greg.
What? Really?
Fat Greg, no.
You think I'm fat?
You're so slim.
Yeah, very
Slim. Softail Slim. You are the Softail Slim.
I am the Softail Slim.
여기에는 뭐가 들어있을까요? 박스가 진짜 크구나. 이야. 여기 뭐가 들어있을까요? 구멍으로도 안 보이겠지? 오늘 21대가 새로 들어왔대요. 21대? 그 중에서 내가 갖고 싶어 하는 모델이 있을까? 이야, 언박싱 합니다. 저쪽으로 가볼까? 언박싱 돼 있는 아이가 여기 있구나. 48 같다.